Hi guys, this is Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai. இன்னைக்கு ஒரு punchல சூப்பரான upgrade பண்ணிருக்கோம். And this vandi has come all the way from Hosur. I've seen the first person to be a car enthusiast where he has done all of the major base to top modification, interior, exterior, everything he has got it done. And I've seen pure love for his car. So this வண்டியில என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் வாங்க பார்க்கலாம் guys. So first exterior upgrade பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have installed Hella brandல வருது 150 watts LED which comes with 2.5 years of warranty and gives you impeccable throw. So next major lighting upgrade பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have installed Hella brandல வருது tricolor fog projector which comes with white, warm white and yellow, which is very useful whenever you're driving in rains or any other foggy condition and better road visibility. To focus on the car's aesthetic and exterior upgrades, we have installed M-TEK brand level the GT Kit 2. So check this out for a sporty look. For the first time in Chennai, for Punch, we have installed electrically adjusted auto folding mirrors which can be controlled by the switches given in the panel trim too. And this is all Tata Motors genuine parts as well. Focus on the car's minimalistic detailing, and to give it proper exterior aesthetics, we have installed lower garnish, plain door visor, door handle chrome too. To give this car a sporty look in the rear profile too, we have installed proper spoilers which are complete OE type. In addition to the GT kit, as I mentioned in the start, we have installed in the rear, we have installed as in the sides too. Jumping onto the interior upgrades, first we have installed seat covers in tan color which is of Jack Speed brand where we have provided 10 years of fitment warranty with proper OEM fitment, where we have added latex foam for the seat covers breathability and better comfort during your drive. To ensure that the car is entirely matched with the seat covers color, we have ensured to done the steering wrap done in dual tone, and where we have also added armrest which is in black color with tan stitches provided. Next, jumping on to dashboards, we have covered the entire dashboard of this Punch car, and later on if you see we have also covered the door pads. Then we'll just directly jump on towards the A pillar, B pillar and the C and D pillars wrapping, where we have done it in complete tan finish with proper stitches and perfect finishing. To focus on the minimalistic detailing of this car's interior, we have ensured to cover the gear boot and the gear knob as well. Jumping on to the electrification upgrades, we have installed Caska brand level the 12.33 volt system which comes with 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage and comes with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and comes with 2 years of warranty. In add-on to the Caska system, we have also added 360 camera which also comes in Caska brand and comes with Sony lens too. Jumping on to the audio upgrade, we have installed Hertz brand level the CPK Cento Pro series in the front as components, and in the rear we have used Morel brand level the Kinetic coaxial as well. To enjoy this audio beautifully because of the Caska system and the speakers, we have done damping in this car of Unplug brand which consists of 2.5 mm damping sheets where we have covered 4 doors, tailgate, and other than that if you see this damping has done proper NVH reduction which ensures noise, vibration and harshness. To ensure that there is no vibration coming out from the speakers too, we have installed Moco brand level the foam ring which is installed right around the speaker, and one of the foam ring is installed right behind the magnet where it controls all the possible vibrations. Next upgrade if you see, we have installed center locking in this car for the rear passengers comfort. We have installed power window kit as well. Because this car was a base model, it had no controls, it was totally blank. But here in Mahavir Agencies, we have installed proper steering and cruise control for this car which has been activated too. The next major upgrade you see in a car is that we have done bonnet damping in this car so that the engine is always cool, it does not get heated up so quickly. To ensure that there is complete interior detailing, we have ensured to paint this particular portion of this car so that the entire interior is matched. As you guys can see, we have done major to major upgrades in this car which are electrification, which are audio upgrades. For such more professional, for such more sophisticated upgrades with guided approach, get in touch with us.